Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of Ubuntu and Open Source. You're new to Q4OS Linux, you need to install a Debian package you just downloaded? That's what we're going to learn today. So the first thing you have to do is start konsole. Konsole is a terminal program that we use to install Debian packages that you download from the internet. Next, you need to navigate to the directory where your file is that you downloaded. So I'm going to go up. So this is my home folder directory. And I'm going to do ls. As you can see, ls lists the directories and files that I'm currently in. And so we have to change or navigate to the folder or directory to where the program is that I downloaded that I want to install. So for that command is cd change directory / Now you're going to type in home. And then your user account name. So if I go to root, home, this is the one I'm currently in, then my user account that I'm in. Okay, now I'm going to go to downloads. I'm going to type in downloads. Now this command is case sensitive. Whoops, no S. The next folder / for directory or folder. The next one I have is installers I got to type in. And finally, deb. And so if I do ls again, here it goes. It shows all my Debian files and other files and directories that I have in this directory. And so today's example is going to be this file or application that I'm going to install, Ocenaudio. I don't know if any of you all know what that is. It's like Audacity. So we've navigated to that directory. Now we're going to run a command in root. And for root, we need sudo. dpkg is the command that we use with the -i to install Debian packages. I'm just going to copy and paste this whole thing. And so this is the command sudo dpkg space -i space, and then we have the Debian package or file that we want to install. Then we're going to hit enter. Okay. What just happened? Another way to do this, since I know I did everything else right, I must have had a typo I didn't know about in my notepad over there. So As you can see, it installed. I ran a sudo command earlier, so it didn't ask for my password. Sudo normally asks you for your password. So when it does ask you for your password, you just type in the password that you used to log in. So I'm going to go to all my programs, new applications, audio editor, Ocenaudio. Close this out. I don't need that anymore. And here we go. Ocenaudio. Thank you.